From the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you're thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to change language on VLC Media Player if you have entered the long language or the language that you are not comfortable with. So it's a really simple process. At first, you must open up VLC Media Player, and you guys can see right now there are languages that you don't understand and which is different from English. This is the Nepali language, and I'm going to teach you how to change this into English right now. So you go to Tools right here, which will be at the third last, and on Tools you go to bottom where there is written Preferences, or you can directly click Control P. So right here, at first it will be written interfaces. It's in Nepali right now. So and right below there will be menu language. So at side of menu language there will be an option. You click on there and you click on any language that you are comfortable with. You click on auto or American English if you are comfortable with English, and if you are comfortable with any other languages such as Chinese, Indian, Hindi, Bhojpuri, Netherlands, Dutch, anything that you are comfortable with, you click on that and you go to this, which is the bottom for save. And after you do that, you restart your VLC Media Player, and you can now see that my language is back to English. And if you want to change it again, you go to Interface, Menu Language, you change it to anyone that you like, and you click on Save, and you'll be done. So I believe I've taught you guys how to change language on VLC Media Player, and if you guys thought that changing language on VLC Media Player was easy, and if you guys learned something today, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.